parked up in Newquay Town Centre. Managed to get her in, didn't we?
Yeah, dead easy.
In a normal car
That
park.
is the beauty of a 6-metre van, isn't it?
So prices are a bit more expensive than our neck of the woods. But I think they are down here. We were looking around Padstow, some of the places there, glass-fronted places looking onto the beach, £2-3 million.
Oggy.
Giant steak pasty, £4.50.
Good.
I'm partial to a pasty.
No, it can't be down there. It's got to be up here. It doesn't really tell me.
So we've arrived at St Ives. We've got our little plot. And to be honest, I'm pretty disappointed actually in this one. We paid £50 a night for this, which is the most expensive actually of the whole break. So it's the most expensive and it's actually the worst pitch that we've been to. I don't know whether I'm just being negative. What do you think? Bex just said to me, she says, you don't want to be that half empty sort of guy, do you? And I really don't. But maybe I'm just being miserable. I'll get back to my barbecue.
So yesterday we were up there next to that big van, but it wasn't a great pitch really because you don't get any sun on the sitting area. So today we were able to move to this pitch just for one night because it's booked tomorrow, but you get these lovely views and you get the sun all day. So I think these pitches along the front are probably the best pitches, and the middle row, we're on pitch 13 here. That one there is pitch 3, that would be a lovely pitch, but that's taken. And this is the view. There's the beach, it's just a 10-minute walk, really nice walk as well. And then tomorrow we'll see if there's another pitch available, and if there is we'll go on that, but if not we'll go back up to 31 up there. So now we're going to have pancakes, aren't we guys? Pancakes. Are they pancakes?
They are pancakes.
Pancakes, that's what you call them, not crepes, are they?
It doesn't take much to put a smile on your face, does
No,
it?
very happy.
Just sugary, syrupy pancakes.
I really hope I haven't made a mistake by coming in these flip-flops. I've never walked this far in them. I meant to change them for my walking boots, that's why I've got my grubby trousers on.
Oh, you look lovely. Nobody's going to be looking at your feet with a face like that.
No, I just hope I don't get really sore feet in these.
thinking, what a spot to get married up there.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Right on top of a hill. It's like something out of
Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia. Everyone's getting selfies. But it is the place to be doing it. I don't think the dogs want to walk now, though. They're getting a bit tired. I think it's probably a little bit hot for them, but we have been resting them. Sitting them under tables, stopping at dog bowls, wetting them down. They are our little babies. What a fabulous place though St Ives is. It's got to be one of the prettiest Cornish towns down here. So picturesque, and the sands and the sea, incredible. So there's some vlogging going on over there while having a pasty. So last night at St Ives, we were out yesterday wandering around the little town, and we stopped at a little pub just for a quick pint and refreshment. We stayed there for probably about an hour and a half, but we were in direct sunlight. I had no sunscreen on. Oh, and I've really burnt my nose. So we're going to move on tomorrow, going over to Land's End, and we've got a little play to go to at Minack Theatre. Called the Carousel. Don't really know what the reviews are, but it was the only one that we could fit in that suited our dates while we were down there. So we're going to go and do the experience, something along the cliffs at sunset. So we're really looking forward to that. I don't think we can take the dogs. So yeah, Beck's just looking at the itinerary for tomorrow, checking out where we can park, aren't you, babe?
Yeah.
Look at the campsite here. I've been impressed in some ways. So just up on the hill. You can see over these vans here, you've got the village just down the bank. So if you walk to the end of the site and turn left, you walk down a very steep bank into the town, but then obviously you've got to walk back now. You can get a bus back up, it's about £1.50. The things about this campsite that we do like is obviously the location, but the very, very tight pitches here. Up that end of the campsite over there, you've got a field. About to see it in the distance there. So there's lots of people camping with tents and smaller VW type vans, and then up this end you've got all of the motorhomes and the caravans. Must say the facilities here are second to none, absolutely superb. But it's probably not a site that we come back to.
Okay, scratch that. Looking back now, we definitely would come to this site again, mainly because of the brilliant location and the wonderful facilities.
This is a beautiful little walk from the campsite. You just come down from the bottom, walk out onto this tarmac little path that I'm on, and it takes you straight through to St Ives. I think we've been walking probably about 10 minutes. A really leisurely little walk. Oh, the views are incredible. I'm hoping, what time is it? I'm hoping 7:15 they're still serving pasties. So 7:30 at night. Seems as though things are just livening up on the beach. A little holiday let by the sea, St Ives is definitely a place to try. There's loads of little apartments in all of these old seaside cottages. Oh, so quaint, some of them. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. And your view it's like that as you come out your front door. Absolutely incredible. So fish and chips on the beach.
It's very busy. I think there were 2 fish left, so we left one. We had one and left one for somebody else. Just got in. Get down. Get down. So Land's End, camping and glamping, Trevescan, Penzance, that's the one.
We're all plugged in.
37-minute drive.